How to decrypt email files. Try SysTools Email Decryptor tool. Let's discuss key features first. Decrypt SMIME and OpenPGP emails from PST, OST, and EDB with bulk support. Export in multiple formats like PST, PDF, MSG, EML, and HTML. Advanced scanning and preview with quick and advanced scan modes. Easy key management and reports via manual or CSV upload with auto reports. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Email Decryptor tool. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools Email Decryptor tool. On the top left, you'll see the Add File option. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you need to import your encrypted OST, PST or EDB file. There are two ways to do this. The first method is the Select File option. To import your file, click on the three-dot button on the right. Browse for your encrypted OST, PST or EDB file, and click Open. Once selected, you'll see the file along with its path displayed on the screen. If you're unsure where your file is located, you can use the Search File option. Simply select Search Selected Drive. Choose a specific drive like C, D, or E. Or use Search All Drives to scan your entire system. For this demonstration, we'll proceed with the Select File option. In the Decrypt Emails section, you need to import your file key. To browse for the key, click on the three-dot button. There are two ways to add the key. The first method is single key. Here, you need to select the encryption key and its type. Under the Select Type option, choose either SMIME or OpenPGP. Let's go with OpenPGP. Next, under Select Key File Path, click on the button on the right. Choose your key file and click Open. Now, you need to enter the password. Copy the password from your sheet and paste it into the respective field. Paste it into the respective field. The second method is multiple keys, where you need to add a CSV file containing the key files. You can also download a sample CSV file to check the required format. For this demonstration, we'll proceed with the single key option. Now, click on Done to continue. In the Scan Mode option, you can repair your file if it's corrupted. There are two modes available. The Quick Scan option is best for files with minimal corruption, while the Advanced Scan option is recommended for severely corrupted files. For this demonstration, we'll go with the Advanced Scan option. In the App folder path, the software saves scanning details, reports, and other related files. The default path is shown, but you can change it by clicking on the three-dot button. Once the file is imported, click on the Add button to proceed. After the scan is complete, a message will appear confirming that the scanning process was successful. You'll also be asked whether you want to save the scan for future use. Click Yes if needed, or No to continue. On the left, you'll see your file folders containing emails. Click on any folder to view its email data. On the right, you can see the contents of the selected folder. In the From column, user can see sender names. In Subject column, user can see subjects. Into column, user can see sender names. In Sent, user can when message was delivered. And in Received, user can see when message was received. In Size column, user can see data size of file. In the Normal Mail View panel, you can see additional email header details. At the bottom, the email message is displayed. You also have the option to view the message in a vertical layout. To switch the view, click on Switch View, where you'll find two options: horizontal and vertical. Select vertical for a better viewing experience. This feature makes it easier to read emails comfortably. The hex view panel shows the raw binary content of a file or memory location in a human-readable format. In the Properties view, you can see detailed email header properties. The Message Header view provides additional email headers. The MIME view shows details about the file format, such as whether it's an image, document, video, or audio file, based on its MIME type. The HTML view displays the email content in hypertext markup language, while the RTF view displays it in rich text format. In the Attachment section, you can see attached files, such as images, documents, or PDFs. You can also identify emails with attachments by the icon next to the sender's name. At the bottom left, you'll find various filter view options. The Mail option displays all emails in the file, while the Calendar option shows only calendar entries. You also have options for contacts, tasks, notes, journal, and folder list, allowing you to view specific data as needed. You can also convert this data into multiple formats. There are two ways to export. The first method is Export Selected, where you can select specific emails by checking the boxes next to them or use the top checkbox to select all. Then, click on Export Selected on the right. However, this option is only for exporting a few emails. Since we need to export the entire data, we'll go with the second method. On the top left, click on the Export button to open the main export settings. To select all emails, click the top checkbox. The SysTools Email Decryptor tool allows you to export files in multiple formats, including PST, PDF, EML, MSG, and HTML. We will select PST, the same as the original format, but users can choose a different option if needed. In the Destination settings, you need to choose a location for the exported data. By default, it is set to the desktop, but you can change it by clicking on the Browse button. Below, you'll find several export options. Don't export emails that failed to decrypt ensures that only successfully decrypted emails are exported. Maintain folder hierarchy keeps the original folder structure intact. Don't export empty folders prevents empty folders from being exported, but for this, you need to disable the Maintain Folder Hierarchy option. Ignore System folders skips exporting system folders. Use Outlook requires Microsoft Outlook to be installed on your system for the export process. Let's also explore the additional settings. In the PST Split option, you can divide your PST file by size. Simply select the size and choose between MB or GB. The Date Range option allows you to export data within a specific time frame. Set the start and end dates, then click Add to apply the filter. Under Categories, you can deselect specific data types you don't want to export, such as mails, contacts, calendars, tasks, journals, or notes. For this demonstration, we'll skip these settings, but users can adjust them as needed. Click Cancel to go back. Now that all settings are configured, click Export. Once the process is complete, a message will appear confirming that the export was successfully completed. Click OK to continue. The software has also generated an export report. The first column displays the source file name and its path. The second column, Success Count, shows how many items were successfully converted from each folder. The third column, Failed Count, indicates if any items failed to export. You can also save this report by clicking on the Save button. Now, open the exported folder to check the decrypted file. And there it is, your decrypted file is ready. And that's it. That's how you can decrypt your encrypted PST, OST and EDB file using the SysTools Email Decryptor tool.
Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.